Okay, let's do part C now together. Okay, everybody, let's start. Using the compasses, ta-da, draw an arc. Okay, so we're gonna see what an arc looks like. Okay, draw an arc 3 cm from X. Okay, so X is over here. 3 cm from X, and another arc 4 cm from Y. Okay, mark the point. Okay, mark the point where the two arcs intersect at SR. Measure the length XR and YR. Okay, we do the first part first. Okay, so compasses, draw arc 3 cm from X. Okay, so now what an arc looks like, we're gonna see. Yeah. Okay, first and foremost, we need an arc of 3 cm. So use your ruler. Okay, and we use your compass to draw an arc, just like we use the compasses to draw your circle. Okay, so over here, wrong. This one. Yes, guys, I actually equip myself with more than one pair of compasses. Okay, so we need 3 cm again. So we put the 0. So you see, I'm already having a dot there on my ruler. Okay, 0 to 3. Okay, your pencil will be at 3. The tip of your pencil will be at 3. Okay, tip of my pencil at 3. And my needle is at 0. Okay, so now, what do they want us to draw? You see, you keep repeating the question so that you get it right. Draw an arc 3 cm from X. Okay, so that means from X, I put my needle at X because that's the 3 cm from X. Okay, from X. So I'm going to draw an arc 3 cm. So now my pencil is 3 cm away. Okay, so what does an arc look like? So an arc is just like any part of a circle. Okay, it is not the full circle, but it's just part of a circle. So I'm just gonna draw like that. Okay, so you see at the side here, it actually says this: an arc is a part of the circumference of a circle. So I didn't draw the full circle, I just draw part of it only. Okay, so enough for me to be able to at least see half of the circle. Okay, next part. And another arc 4 cm from Y. Okay, 4 cm from Y. So how is it going to look like? So you take your 4 cm. Okay, guys, this is my cat, Dudu. Yes, he has interrupted our lesson. Dudu, please go away, sayang. Okay, come over here, over here. Oh no, interruption. Okay, everybody, coming back. Sorry for that short interruption. Okay, now, see, my darling Dudu interrupted our lesson. Okay, so now we have another arc 4 cm from Y. So we put again the ruler 0. The needle is on the 0, and this time it's 4 cm. So you put your pencil tip of your pencil at 4 cm. Okay, so the tip of your pencil at 4 cm. So you put it like that vertically so that it's more accurate. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to draw 4 cm from Y. So needle will be at Y. Your needle is at Y. Put it at the corner of the line where your Y is supposed to be. Okay, and draw an arc. So here you go. I draw just part of a circle. Make sure it cuts the first arc that you drew. Okay, so my first arc I drew. Now I have drawn the second arc 4 cm from Y. So the two arcs actually intersect. Intersect means what? Cut each other. Okay, intersect. Alright, so now let's look at the next part. Next part says mark the point where the two arcs intersect SR. So we're going to mark the point where the two arcs, the one that we have drawn, intersect, cut SR. So actually there are two parts. One is at the bottom over here, one is at the top. But here, I don't think they want it because you see we are cutting the next question. So it will be only one point that they want, which is over here. Okay, so this will be my R. This point where the two arcs cut, mark it as a cross, guys. Okay, so that's where my R is. Okay, where the two arcs actually intersect. Okay, the other one is over here, but we're not going to use this. Measure the length XR and YR. Okay, so I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to draw XR from the point R to X, or from the point X to R is the same. Okay, alright, and then Another one is from Y to R. Okay, it actually forms a triangle, right guys? Okay, so now let's measure XR. What do you think is going to be before I measure? XR. What does it look like? Because it's an arc. From X, we actually draw an arc of 3 cm, right? So I suspect it's 3 cm. So let's look. XR, RX, 0 to 3 cm. So we're going to write it down in the diagram, because that's where the arc that we drew, right? The arc of 3 cm from X. Okay, then let's look at YR. What do you think is going to be? What was the radius of the arc that we drew? Wasn't it 4 cm just now? So let's check whether it's 4 cm. Ta-da! So it's 4 cm. Okay, 4 cm. RY is 4 cm. So now we write down. Okay, XR is 3 cm. Oh, they already write down the cm, but and YR is 4 cm. Okay, that's part C. Now you try. Okay, if you can't get it, you have to rewind my video and get to the part where you couldn't get, and then you try again. Okay, alright.